Hi, in this video I'm going to use Sketchpad to construct an isosceles triangle. First, I start by constructing any segment BC. I'm going to label it using the text tool. So this point is B. I can double click on the point to change the name. I'm going to label this point C. Then I need the perpendicular bisector of BC. So I need the midpoint of BC. So I choose midpoint from the construct menu. And then I select both the segment BC and its midpoint, and I choose perpendicular line from the construct menu. Now I need any point on this line, so I can select it and choose point on perpendicular line. I can drag this point anywhere on this line. I'm gonna label it A, so I can double click and change its name to A. Now I need to construct the side AB, so I can select points A and B, go to the construct menu and choose segment, or I can use the shortcut on my keyboard using Ctrl L, and I'll do the same thing with the other side. I don't need this line and this point, so I can hide them using Ctrl H. Now, if I want to check if my triangle is isosceles, I can measure the length of AB using the measure menu. I can do the same thing to the other side, measure length, and I see that both sides have the same length, and I can drag the point A, and I can notice that my triangle is still isosceles. The length of AB and the length of AC are always equal to each other. Thank you.